Hi, GB.
Guys, we're gonna Hi guys.
Hi, GB. What are you doing?
I'm in the garden.
You playing?
Yeah.
What are you playing?
Henry.
Oh,
But
what's wrong with this Henry?
is the cable is got so long like this.
And the cable is not coming out. Show me.
But you can't press this because it's
Huh?
very hard.
Let's see from inside. What does it look like from inside?
But I opened it and it's so empty.
Mm-hmm.
Sorry guys, come right here. I can show you from it. It's leaking, gently leaking.
Leaking? Oh my God. What?
Disgusting dead.
What is inside? Show me.
I told
Oh my God. What on earth is this?
you to empty it.
Yeah, you can if it comes out.
No. Someone used the bag list. Oh my gosh. Also the filter damp and dirty. Dirty and grubby and stubby. It's not. Stubby. Grubby. And stubby now. What? Look. You did this. Okay. Huh? Okay. Shall we put the filter?
Wow.
Like
Nice.
this too.
Does it? Okay. Where are you going? GB, where are you going? Oh my God. No, GB, no. What are you doing? What are you doing, Jibrail? Wait.
Henry don't have cable, so I don't like this. We're gonna wash another one and keep it.
Oh my God, GB, don't do that, man. This is not nice. GB, no. It's going to break into pieces. Oh my days. You don't like this, Henry? I thought you love Henry.
Sorry, I don't like jump and go.
Oh my God. It's not breaking. It's not breaking. This Henry doesn't want to leave you alone. This Henry loves you. I think you should love this Henry too. Oh, this Henry's sad. Oh no.
It don't break. Sorry, it don't break.
Don't. Oh my days.
I help myself. Guys, I'm not going to break it because my hand hurts. I think so. I can't break this section. So, yeah, I love it. Oh, it's leaking.
Is it leaking? What happened to it? No, that's not Henry's water. That's something else.
Is it oil?
Hmm?
Oh, yeah. It is leaking. It's showing.
It's not broken, so that means this Henry loves you.
Very dirty.
We can wash it if you want to. You want to wash it?
Yeah, but I want to clean.
And then Daddy can fix it for you?
Yeah, I want to put a new cable so we don't have a cable for it.
You don't have cable? Let me see. Where's the cable? Where's the cable? The cable's missing, guys. Oh, the cable is missing. So where you've been hitting? Here? Oh no, over here. Is it? Did you hit Henry over here? Where else did you hit the Henry? There.
Yeah, this
There.
is this a paint.
Oh, bless Henry.
Damaged. My hand is dirty.
Oh my God, are you doing it? No, GB, don't.
I told
Don't.
you I love it.
You love it? Then why are you hitting the Henry for? Don't. It's not going to break. Oh, it's breaking. It's breaking.
Yeah, the motor fell down. So if you fixed it up, now, so we can throw 100 now. Okay. Throw 100. The motor
So what are you trying to do?
This is not it.
No! Oh my days.
I have to smack it. Guys, I got a push bag left. Guys, I Henry, I got larger vacuums. That is the brand new one. But we can see in my wait for this.
What are you doing?
I'm gonna put it.
Why? Don't. It's gonna get dirty.
I'm gonna throw him the
No, don't.
He's gonna
Don't. It's not gonna fly, GB. It's not gonna fly. Where you? Oh. So you wanna jump?
He did before. Yeah, I'm gonna draw it.
Why are you throwing it? You don't want this, Henry. Oh my days.
Yes,
Trash vacuum?
I'm joking, not trash. Good. Nicely, gently pick up. Get the head.
Mm.
And push on and connect it and tip it and then break it. I need a hammer. I have to break it.
What are you doing? Why are you breaking it? Why are you breaking it? Tell me why. What's the reason?
Oh yeah, he broke it. It cracked.
Why are you breaking it? Tell me. I thought you like it.
The basement did broke. So
Oh my god.
I don't want it, Mommy. I'll put it in the bin.
You don't want it? Are you sure?
No.
Okay, fine. Let's just put it in the bin. I'm sad. I think Henry's also sad.
Wait, why?
So guys, GB has decided he doesn't want this Henry. He's a bit upset because the Henry's not working. So he is going to put it in the bin.
Break the cable.
Okay.
We saw it in the
He already has few in there.
There is a space, guys.
Oh my god. Oh my god. GB, can you see? The Henry's in bin.
Show me the reason in the head. And then see it. Oh, what is it? How? I'm falling down.
So you're gonna throw this in the bin? Forever? You don't want this Henry?
I do.
Huh? You don't like it?
No, we can't fix.
Why can't we fix it? Tell me.
I don't know.
I think Henry wants you, GB. Henry wants to go back home. Not in the bin.
In my house, that one. Sorry, no. I have to lay this right here.
You want to leave this right here? Why?
Okay. It's broken because it's not working either. I'm sad.
Why are you sad? Don't worry. Don't be sad, my lovely.
You can fix it.
We can fix it if you want. We can tell Daddy to fix it for you.
So, how about, Mommy, let's close the door inside by hand here.
You want to say bye to Henry? Are you sure?
Let's close it.
Okay. Up to you. Come on. You do it for me. You do it. Bye-bye, Henry. Bye-bye.
Give me.
Bye. Bye, Henry. Bye. So, guys, the Henry's there. The head is here. And GB's sad. And GB's sad. It's okay, my baby. It's okay.
I get it. Bye, guys. I'm sad.
It's okay. It's okay, my baby. It's okay.
I'm coming now.
You're going now. Where are you going?
Inside.
Why?
Guys, I'm sad.
Okay. Bye, GB.
Inside.
Okay, GB's going inside, guys. I think he's sad because of the Henry. We'll see you guys soon.